Hello students, today I will teach you slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line can be obtained in four manners. Number one, if inclination of a line with x-axis is given as theta, then slope of line equals to tan theta, where theta is inclination of line with x-axis, and this angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction starting from x-axis to given line. Like if we have this coordinate system as x-axis, y-axis, origin, and line is this. This line makes angle with x-axis in this way and in this way. This angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction starting from x-axis to line, and this angle is measured clockwise direction. In clockwise direction starting from x-axis to line. One thing we have to remember, always we have to start from x-axis. The another name of x-axis is initial line. So we initiate always from x-axis. So this angle theta is correct angle and this angle is wrong angle, because direction of its measuring is clockwise direction, and direction of measuring this angle is anti-clockwise direction. In both cases we are starting from x-axis to line. So this is correct and this is wrong. And if suppose you have given this angle as theta, then this will be obtained as 180 minus theta. And here to find slope of line, this angle theta is in anti-clockwise direction. And suppose in another coordinate system we have this line, this is origin, and this angle is given as 120 degree, suppose, and we have to find the slope of line. So slope for angle for finding the slope should be this, and this, if this angle is 120 degree, then how much is this angle? 180 minus 20, so 60 degree. So 60 degree is correct angle. Slope of line is equal to tan 60 degree, not 120, because 120 degree angle is in clockwise direction. So this will not be used. 120 degree will not be used here to find slope. 60 degree will be used. And value of tan 60 degree will be √3. Another way of finding slope of line is if coordinates of 2 points on a line are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You can understand it by taking an example. If this is line and coordinates of 2 points are 1 and 2, minus 3 and 4, then slope of this line x1 y1 लिए हुए x2 y2 these are. So y2 minus y1, y2 is 4, y1 is 2, x2 minus x1, x2 is minus 3, minus x1 is 1. So 4 minus 2, 2, minus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 4, minus 1 upon 2. Each slope of this line which contains 2 points on this line. Third way of finding slope of line, if equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, then slope of line is equal to m. Then slope of line is equal to m. M means coefficient of x. If line is in this form, then slope of line is m. For example, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 is equation of a line. Then first write this equation in this form, in this standard form. We can write it as 4y is equal to 3x minus 3x plus 7. Transfer all two terms except of the term of y to right hand side. So 3x is here positive, so on another side this will be negative. 7 is negative, then the inside this will be positive. And now divide by 4. Y is equal to minus 3 upon 4x plus 7 upon 4. Dividing by 4 because in standard form coefficient of x is 1. So if coefficient of y is 1, if coefficient of y is except of 1, then divide by that number. And now slope of line is equal to coefficient of x is here minus 3 upon 4. So slope is minus 3 upon 4. One more way of finding the slope of line is by using differential calculus. And in differential calculus, fourth way of finding slope of line is equal to dy upon dx at x1 y1. Here x1 y1 is a point of contact on the line. So first find dy upon dx. dy upon dx means differential coefficient of y with regard to x, and then find its value at point x1 y1, and that will provide you slope of line. So slope of line can be obtained in these four manners, and this completes the topic of slope.